Hey guys, this is how to update manually to latest Google Play Store version. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your Google Play Store, and from here guys, just simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply go to settings. And from here at the very bottom, you will see about. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have an option here, update a Play Store, and just simply tap on that. And from there, you'll be able to update it manually. And since I have the latest version, as you can see, it said that the Google Play Store is up to date and I won't be able to update it anymore. And that's pretty much it. Just simply go over here and you should be able to update it manually. And there you go. And if you want to watch more tutorial like this, just simply go to our channel and subscribe. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.